Good morning, everybody. So it's 7:35 right now, and I'm supposed to be at school by 8 today. So I have roughly 10 minutes to get ready, and I probably shouldn't be vlogging, but I just had to tell you good morning, so I'll see you soon. And today is not going to be a regular school day. We have a thing called shopping with the dogs at my school. It's where seniors go out and they get a group of 4 from the high school, and then they get a kid at a local elementary school, and we take them shopping for Christmas presents for their family, and we all donate money to help make it possible. So me and 3 of my friends are doing it. We would have a group of 5, but we can only have a group of 4. So that's what I'll be doing most of the day. We have to meet at 8. So I should probably be leaving soon because it's now 7:47. Hey friend.
Where's your stuff?
Oh, I'm
at?
so close to you.
Oh
gosh. Hey Monty.
Hey! I put my stuff in my
Hey Lindsay. Erica. Oh, your hair is pretty.
Well, who's your third ball?
What do you think about the
I made it. Are you surprised that I made it on time? Me too. Shopping with the dogs. Aereyona. I'm scared.
I won't play my basketball game.
We're having friendship drama right now, and I don't like it.
She's gonna try to talk to me and say, "Don't talk to me."
Erica, you good?
No, I don't like Jessica. Hope she sees this too. You should put that in the vlog.
I will.
Should.
Jessica's gonna say something.
I hope she sees it too. Then maybe she'll stop acting fake. One moment
Oh,
she's
gosh.
acting like she's my friend, and then true friendship. I just put it on private so I can watch it. What? You're a senior trailers. Oh, really? I realized that people probably thought that he was my freaking son.
Oh, on the vlog?
Yeah.
Is it going on YouTube?
Yeah. The senior class just kind of spread out in the store right now, and we got a little girl. She's really sweet and quiet, but it's okay. We're having fun. So we're done shopping now. Oh, there's Jessica. She's not here though.
Thanks to Erica. Hey, well, I'm here. Thank you.
Yeah, that's
So,
Lindsay's offended.
you didn't say that.
Lindsay, we're happy that you're here. I promise.
I'm happy I'm here too.
We're at my job now. We're all customers today. Hey y'all.
Hi, vlog.
We need
Raheem.
What's up?
Welcome to Vlogmas
Wait, what I want to
Day 6.
Day 6.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, everything. Drill100 3Ls. Hit me up.
Jacob Swagger, 23.
Mahogany got me a blizzard because I didn't bring money because I didn't know I was coming here. Erica's working on her final work for psychology, and Lindsay's on her phone. Tell my vlog hey again.
Hey guys,
And what's your name?
Imani.
She's been on my vlog before for like a few seconds. The night I vlogged at work. Because she works here too, I think. We counted up. Okay, time to go. So if you saw the other video, the Mexican candy video, that's some of the powder that we had. I didn't like it, so I gave it to Erica. And then also, we're helping her right now with her final stuff for psychology. Because that's what friends do. And then I want to watch my video to make sure it's good enough to upload.
It's right there.
And there's Cierra just in there dancing.
What's your favorite pizza place?
I'm just writing these right now. Nothing interesting. Oh, by the way, Elvis, if you're watching this, thank you for the free donut. That was nice. Good luck on your final.
Thank you. I'm gonna fail either way though.
No, she's not.
Yes, I am.
Hey everybody, so I'm leaving school now and there are people walking by, so I'll see you at home. Hey! That's Mackenzie. I'm gonna grab it.
Christmas, there is just one thing Hey, I'm super excited tonight. We're going to do a couple games real quick just to kind of get in the Christmas spirit. We have red and green lights. We need a tree, man. Is that the answer? Okay, crowd. Who knows what it is? You know what?
Come on, baby. Girl, look at this shirt I got Travis Supply.
Alright, hope you guys get in the Christmas spirit. Can we sing the Christmas jingle before you guys start?
Yeah.
We don't talk much.
I've been in one of your vlogs.
So I have a question.
Yes. Hello, vlog. How's it going?
Where are your Vlogmas videos?
I actually did one. My first day. I was actually joking with you when I texted, said I didn't do it. Had a great vlog. And then this whole weekend, like, so I wasn't able to do vlog anything. Yeah. But it's okay because Aereyona, Cierra, and Amanda are vlogging, and I got like 3 days behind, and then I was just like,
No, you can still do it. I believe in you.
I'm like 8 days behind.
December 6th.
No, you're killing it. I'm just gonna go watch Aereyona.
Now you try it too.
Hey everybody, this is the round vlog. Amanda.
Okay, so the person behind Aereyona vlog is this girl.
Not her. She's doing Vlogmas too, so go check her channel. It'll be at the end of the video. We're doing.
I'm gonna need you to be quiet, filming a video. We can't show family drama. I'm doing dishes because she couldn't do them right. And also, it's my day to do dishes, but also she can't do dishes right, so I have to redo everything. But this is the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoy day. Get the mop. What is wrong? Libby, stop! Everything on me. And if you have Libby on Snapchat, just know that I'm not. I'm not as stupid as my quotes are. Okay, I just say dumb things sometimes. And also, sometimes, this is the end of day 7 or 6. I don't really know. Good night. Bye.